Yeah, so that's the big picture. Actually, I have some more items to demonstrate. I have two books, actually a notebook and a book. This is the notebook. This is a gift from a friend of mine, and I used it for taking personal notes during the journey. And the book is a psychology book called The Guide to Rational Living, which I think I need. Yeah. Uh, this is my phone, which I use for communication, reading, taking photos, audio recording, video recording, sometimes even phoning, internet, blogging, etc. In the placeholder of the cow interrupted our demonstration, but whatsoever. Yeah, so in the placeholder of my phone, I keep my credit card and some other personal cards. And yeah, we are getting continuously interrupted by a herd of cows, but still I hope that we will be able to finish the demonstration. Yeah, and I think that maybe it's worthwhile to explore a bit more the context by necessary because it might come handy to people who are going for a similar journey. So, yeah, I start with the least useful thing, which is a mirror. I was contemplating whether to take it with me or not, but as you see, I decided to take it with me. And inside, food and hand cream, bandage, compliments. Antibacterial wet wipe, pain relief cream, toothpaste, muscle and joint rub, which is from the same friend the notebook is from. This is propolis for throat problems. This is Rivonol, sterilizer. It's a Romanian product, I think. Eye drops, toothbrush, razor, which I haven't used yet, spork, tissue, Swiss knife, a necklace with a broken shark tooth, this is iodium, and yeah, this is how is it called? This is against anxiety, but I forgot its name. Yeah, I don't really have anything anymore. This is a cream against secondary skin infection, which I use. Yeah, and now about the medicine. I've got some pills against malaria, and they are called doxycycline. Doxycycline. I've got quite some pills, but fortunately I didn't have to use them yet. Algocami, also for pain relief. pain pills. Ace and needle. Suppersan. This is against diarrhea, stomach problems. As you can see, it's empty, so nothing is left. But thanks God, I'm not having diarrhea these days. It's been quite a while ago when it was the last. So I'm happy for that. And the other pocket, I have some paracetamol, green tea. This is also paracetamol, so that's all, and some preservatives, quite some. Yeah, so this is pretty much everything. It all packs up to about 7 kilograms, and I'm quite satisfied with this equipment given that I'm an amateur traveler, and given that it was a pain in the ass to bring this equipment together because of some perfectionistic ideas of mine about how an equipment should look like. But finally it got all together, and I made good use of it. Thanks for your attention, and we are taking goodbye from the first part of our trip, following the Caveri River, and we are looking forward to the next phases, and I hope that we will blog about that. Bye bye.